All right, sports fans, we got the barbecue going tomorrow. And since I'm in Thailand, whew, smell like vinegar. Since I'm in Thailand, I'm doing American barbecue, pulled pork, and smoked chicken wings. Actually big drumettes, not really wings, but whatever, smoked chicken. Um, and, in the States, you can just run to your local grocery store and get one of 30 different barbecue sauces. What I like on pulled pork is a mustard based sauce, and you're not going to find that in Thailand, even in the Farang stores, the stores for Westerners, high-end stores like Ping or Tops. Ooh, damn, that vinegar definitely got a wang to it. So I'm making my own, no big deal. 3/4 of a cup of mustard, and then a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. That's the thing that's hitting me as I'm heating it up here on the stove. There it is. It's getting boiled down. I'll kick down the heat a little bit. These gas burners run really hot. That's low. See the blue flame. So yeah, just cooking on low heat, medium low heat for 5 to 7 minutes, just so everything incorporates. So besides apple cider vinegar and mustard, that's the two main ingredients. You've got honey, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, brown sugar, salt, and garlic powder. And they say you can spice it up a little bit and put red pepper flakes. And instead of red pepper flakes, what I put in was sriracha. That's my favorite hot sauce over here in Thailand. It's kind of sweet. It's sweet with a little kick to it. I love sweet, hot, spicy, smoky. Those are all the flavors I like. So I'm going to put that in my barbecue sauce. So I'll do some more quick videos tomorrow of the cooking the pork, smoking the pork. I bought a smoker. I'm going to be making Moo Ping. Moo Ping is the little pork on a stick. And I'm going to make it two ways. One with pork collar, which is kind of like the pork shoulder or pork butt I'm smoking, but collar is like literally the neck and behind the neck of the pig. That's one way to make it on skewers. Kind of more that to me that looks more like a satay. When you think of like a chicken satay, with a peanut dipping sauce, that's kind of what the pork collar one looks like to me. Just meat folded on a stick, kind of like a kebab. And trying to turn that down even more because it's going really quickly. So I just took it off the heat. You can always just take it off the heat when shit's going too fast. These gas burners, man, it's a bitch. It takes a while to get used to cooking with gas burners instead of electric. It's a lot higher, faster, harder heat. And then the one I did a video already on breakfast sticky rice, and what I call meat lollipop, and that's minced pork, like ground pork instead of the pork collar slices of meat. I'm going to do both ways. I bought the skewers. I'm going to soak those today. I'm making roasted garlic mashed potatoes. I'm making mac and cheese, hamburgers, hot dogs. Yep, that's it. The girlfriend and her friend from work are going to do MooKata, the sliced thin pork on the electric grill. So we'll have that going too. Like I said, Thai barbecue, American barbecue combination tomorrow. Have some people over the new place. So starting today, man. When you have a big party and you're cooking a lot of stuff, you start the day before. I'm going to be marinating the Moo Ping pork today. It's in a marinade of soy sauce, oyster sauce, a couple other things. And I'm going to brine the pork shoulder, put salt, sugar, water solution, and inject it into the pork shoulder. All right, that's it. Well, like I said, I'll do some more quick videos tomorrow. I'll probably make one big video for the whole thing.